Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zuhairi Fadli bin Zulkari. Today I'm going to present my final year project, online class attendance system using facial recognition. The first is the introduction, the project overview. First is the traditional way of taking attendance is by writing down names and student ID on the paper, which may seem repetitive, unproductive, and it is a very tedious process. This type of attendance taking will lead to students not being focused during lecture if the class population is big. There are several of technology that has been developed to encourage and assist educators in streaming their activity of taking attendance. The problem statement is the traditional student attendance taking often facing a lot of trouble. Teaching process will be disturbing and causes distraction for the student during lecture time. A higher chance of losing the attendance sheet. The objective to recognize the face of an individual accurately based on the face database to develop a database for the attendance management system and record the student attendance to develop an attendance system using face recognition. The scope of the project. The system is capable of recognizing and identify each of the student, and the attendance will be recorded into the database. The targeted group of the attendance are the student, and the attendance system can hold up to 2,000 student information in there. The facial recognition is done one by one person at a time. The literature review. Biometric system is a technological system that identify a person using information about a person or other biological organism. There are several stages in the biometric authentication process, and the system are not perfect. The disadvantages of iris recognition and other biometric recognition is shown in the table. This is the advantages and the disadvantages of biometric system: iris recognition, voice recognition, fingerprint, and RFID card. The face recognition. The first step is the face detection. Next comes to face feature extraction, and then lastly the face recognition. The algorithm for face recognition follow a common step. The first step are pre-processing, then it will come to feature extraction, then the face will be analyzed and measured and determine whether it is identified or not. The table show the factor that cause problem with the face detection. The first is the illumination, the background, the expression, the pose, rotation, scaling, and occlusion. So for the illumination, it is very common because it is caused by a different lighting condition that can impact the condition of the image. Next is the face detection method. Viola-Jones algorithm, local binary pattern, Adabus algorithm, features and Snow classifier method, and neural network. The For example, the advantages of the Viola-Jones, it is high speed detection, very accurate, and the disadvantages are it is time consuming, head pose is limited, dark face will not be detected. For the contrast enhancement, there are two methods. It is histogram equalization, contrast limited adaptive histogram equalization. For histogram equalization, it is low sensitivity to noise, but for contrast limited adaptive, it prevent over enhancement and as well as noise amplification. The table show feature extraction summary. There are four methods of feature extraction: neural network, local binary pattern, feature face analysis, and agent face. For neural network, it is high accuracy, but it needs a long time to be trained. And the accuracy of the local binary pattern are higher than the eigenphase. Software that been used for the project the software is XAMPP, Notepad++, HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, MySQL, and the recognition part we use a webcam camera, Logitech C170. The methodology, the diagram show the block diagram of attendance system using face recognition. Firstly, the image is acquired from the video frame, and then it detect face, do the feature extraction, recognize a face, and then the data sent to the attendance. System flowchart. Firstly, we get the input image and do the face detection. Next, feature extraction. After that, if the face is already registered, it can be recognized after feature extraction. If not, it will be registered first, and the register level will be the image will be trained, and image will go into the image database. After that, the stored image will be used for face recognition comparison. When the face is recognized, the attendance is written into the database. The result show a face is recognized when the process is the code is executed and the face is detected. After that, the detected face data will be sent into the database. Now we show the demo. The face is now detected. And the data is successfully recorded. We can see here in the database before we have 3 data, and here we can see the web page. Now it is F4 data, the latest one is, and we update so the data has been sent successfully. So the conclusion, for this project, the facial recognition project is described properly. The method that have been used in this proper system is to identify each of the individual and then compare their face, then get into the database. The proper system able to recognize face of individual which shown in the video frame. The pre-processing is very important. In conclusion, feature extraction for facial feature is a bit challenging when it comes to different lighting. For feature work, for the simulation of face recognition module, there are many types of simulation tools that can be used for feature work. Every module has their own advantages and different capability. The algorithm that we use to perform face recognition is biological algorithm, and there are many other algorithms that can be used. Proper device is needed to get better performance of face recognition in the future. A high quality webcam camera with better lighting of source could reduce the effect of lighting and illumination. Last but not least, if there are chance to recreate this project, the face recognition system could be designed with the interface, the Gantt chart for FYP1 and Gantt chart for FYP2. Thank you. That's all from me.